Hi, I'm Bob Hasegawa, your state senator for the 11th Legislative District, and we're on a site tour right now of the new HealthPoint facility. It's going to be known as Tukwila Commons in the future when it's done. But the state helped contribute some of the funding for this, so we're excited to see the progress that's happening.
As the senator said, we're in the future HealthPoint Tukwila Commons. This is a 50,000 square foot facility that is going to be able to double our capacity to provide high quality medical, dental, behavioral health, and pharmacy services here in this medically underserved area of Tukwila in King County. This beautiful site is transit accessible, which is really important to make our services as accessible as possible to those who need it, making sure that we're lowering barriers to care. And ultimately, we are going to be able to serve up to 8,000 patients in this location. And we're very grateful to the state and to Senator Hasegawa and his 11th district seatmates for all of their support along this journey. So the state and our partners there have been along since the journey when we first went to go acquire the land. And they've been able to provide support that has been critical to keep this project moving. A project of this size and scale requires partners of all sizes to come in, be all in with us to accomplish this for our community. And so they've been able to provide multiple grants throughout the years to ensure that we can keep this on track. And here we are, about 6 months from opening and being able to help the community realize easier access to essential medical care and to be able to live healthier lives.
Adam, what could you add to that? Tell us about the project itself, the physical
Sure.
process.
So we're on 2.25 acres. So altogether, we've got room to do something bigger and bolder than what HealthPoint's done in the past. Moving beyond providing, just medical and medical, dental, behavioral health services, but also thinking more holistically about what are the social drivers that impact people's health. On the first floor, we will have a partnership with an early childhood development center to provide childcare, which is one of the things that we've heard from the community is really important in order to have healthy families and a healthy community. So again, it's a new vision, something HealthPoint's really excited about. And again, very appreciative of all the support from the state to bring us to where we are today.
This is just phase one of the vision, right? So can you tell us, either one of you, about the build-out vision for this facility?
So we're fortunate, if you wanted to pan around, there's a lot more land here. So we're using probably not even half of the overall footprint. And so this is part of the redevelopment of Tukwila International Boulevard through our partnership with the city to try to create a sort of a downtown in this area that's right along Pacific Highway. So, a bit of an oasis in an area that's close to the airport, kind of hemmed in by a lot of different highways, suffered some environmental harm as a result of that. I didn't mention this is a LEED Gold certified building, something that we heard from the community. We need a healthy space. It's worth investing in this community to provide a healthy space for this community. So a commitment from HealthPoint, and received some good grants to help with that as well along the way.
LEED Gold facility.
LEED Gold facility
Yeah.
is built with cross-laminate timber. You can see beautiful wood beams, which eliminates the need for a lot of steel and concrete. So a great investment again in building a healthy space for this community.
So there you have it. We're watching the transformation of International Boulevard here in Tukwila, and the city has been working on the full transformation for a long time right now. So look forward to the grand opening coming up at the end of this year. And again, I'm Bob Hasegawa, your state senator for the 11th district, and be watching for more videos coming up on exciting stuff happening in our district. See you later.